Hi guys, today I want to go another Simvoly tutorial training for you. So today I'm going to show you other products as I promised in the store. So as I said, on the products we can add more stuff. So I'm going to talk about that today. So here we already in the builder. So you go to products and then add products. Here are other product types that I want to share. You can do a digital product or a service that do not says do not require shopping. Example like car rental service, booking and stuff. Digital product like ebooks, audio files or other digital contents. Customer will receive like link to that file at it's expiring 24 hours, so you don't have to worry about it. Like membership, customers like will be asked to register and assign a membership group or checkout. That's the membership. So digital product, click that and name your product my digital book. So and you add a description. Easily you can add a description using AI. All you have to do is go there and expand, so it will generate some whatever really related to the word you put. So then you go through it and make sure you edit and make it. You can, as I said again, you can use drag and drop builder, add a widget. You can add like a image if you want. Any image of your folder, or maybe like this, like that. So that's how easy it is. Make sure you name the image. It's for good for SEO. And make sure you the price. And on digital product you can upload your file under file section. So I have like PDF section, so you do that. You click, you can make folder for your digital products here. Click here and make a folder just like I did in the past, and then select. So now they get this when they buy it. So it's easy as it is. As you can see, you can add image here too. Any image that you feel that is good. I just taking some example here and it's come here. So that's your product image. And digital product, I made a category called digital, and you can even it make it like categorize, like even like niche down. If you have a specific niche kind of digital products, you have lots, then you can even niche down the categories. And confirm, automatically they take the title, and that's it. You put the price, maybe $7 if it is a ebook. And you can always make them buy. You can put like 27, say price is 7 and it was 27. So that way you can get more sales. Make sure you put a SKU if you want, and a digital product. That's it. And I talk about in other videos these stuff, so you guys can go back and check these. And if you need help with adding, make sure you save the change, adding or designing a website, funnel, online store, membership, I can help you for free. Same goes to service. You click that, put your service name, and that's it. It's very simple. And $12 per month and you pay yearly is nothing can beat. No other builder that have these functions that easily you can. All you have to do is good at your marketing and sales. Without your marketing and sales getting done, you can't sell with any builder. So you can start with this builder, and then what you can do is uh, once you have good money coming in, you can upgrade to another builder that if you need more functions. Even subscription, they go down here, like you can say, see analytics, churn rate, subscription products. You put any data, it's coming here. That's the trick today, and I want to show you again membership. You put the name and everything there. You can select your membership that you be created before. Usually you can done that here uh, under groups, add groups. See, I have some groups here, like this, like that. Add a group and submit. So that's a group. So under that group, you can see all the people that come to this group. So you can export members and everything like that. That's up to you. I go more deep how to do the group setting and stuff. So if they buy, you can send them to this page. You can select a page from here that they can access to membership, like a login page and stuff like that. They create their own login at checkout, but you can send them a direct login page here too. So once they buy, you can delete the product group if you don't, if you make a test group, stuff like that. So like that, that's easy it is. And there are more tricks and like strategies that I can teach you about this builder, appointments, email vision, and especially how to build a web page, stuff like that. Stay tuned, and I will guide you on those stuff too. If you need help, like with the designing, how to use, some people don't understand how to use this builder, even it's easy, then I can help you for free. So all you have to do is like ask me to design that, and I will create the page for you. So these all stuff I try to go through all these functions and help you go through this builder. Thank you. Subscribe and like, share, and I appreciate that. Thank you.